Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing video for my new vlogging phone, which is the CAMON 17 Pro. This is 1 million Ugandan shillings currently in the country, though at some stores it is at 1,100,000 Ugandan shillings. That is approximately $300 and around 285 euros. So first of all, I would love to note out that this is not my first TECNO phone. I've actually used TECNO mobile phones for at least now 5 years straight without changing to any company. This is the phone that I'm switching today with this CAMON 17. This is the CAMON 11, and on this CAMON 11 almost 5 phones have been upgraded on top of this. This has done me very well. It's the phone currently I'm filming on. It is 32 gigabytes, yes, of ROM, and around I think 3, I'll pop hopefully on screen, 3 of RAM. But I've been getting a lot of hard time, especially when it comes to converting the videos. The storage has been so small, and most of the time the camera would also flicker out. It has been going to now I think 2 years when I've been using this, and I started saving up for a new phone for the last, I don't know, 6 months when I was still in Chingungu landing site. I think you did see that video. And just in the middle of saving my phone, we happily had a sponsor who sponsored us with 1 million Ugandan shillings, which actually prompted me to go out and buy the CAMON 17 Pro. This is 256 gigabytes of ROM and 8 gigabytes of RAM. Yes, and of course, as you see from the boxes, I would love to do a little bit of a comparison before actually we do the real unboxing. This is a little bit much more taller. I think you can see from the front view, and also when you see from the side view, I don't know if you're able to see, but this is a little bit again smaller than this CAMON 11. Also the appearance, I think, differs, especially when it comes to up here. Hopefully when we unbox, you guys are going to be seeing. And of course also when it comes to the length, I think you can see very well that the CAMON 17 Pro is much more longer than the CAMON 11, which I've been currently using. Okay, so you guys, this is the close-up look of the CAMON 17 Pro over here. As you see from the box, it looks to be actually very, thoughtful, basing on, I think you can hear that. It looks and it seems that actually a lot of work went into this, and the logo over here, CAMON 17 Pro, and all the details I was telling you earlier on, 256 plus 8 GB. This is ROM and this is RAM. And what I never mentioned actually, that it is in ice silver over here. It is in ice silver. You get 12+1 monthly warranty, and it's made in China. If I never mentioned, most of the TECNO mobile phone, I think TECNO in general, it's a Chinese brand which actually specializes in making all these amazing mobile phones at a very affordable price. Actually, they are leading TECNO mobile phone company here in Africa. So I'm gonna pop off this. I have already popped off the Cavera. So okay, so actually the top is off, as you see, and I love the fact that it has the TECNO CAMON 17 Pro, all that other good stuff. Actually, this is a dream come true, guys. Look how sleek that is. CAMON 17 Pro, the branding, you see. It also gives you all the information here about all the cameras, the 48MP clear selfie camera. I think this is the front camera. The 64MP ultra clear quad camera. I think these are back cameras. The pro grade video camera. All these cameras, we're going to be seeing them, of course, in a while. This is the box, and inside there is a logo of TECNO. Can you see that? CAMON 17 Pro. I think that you can see it, and I love the fact that this was also made very soft, meaning that you can actually continue storing some accessories of the mobile phone in here. Yes, so let this one rest for some good time, and we pop off the mobile phone. So I think here there is a case. Yeah, it's a case, I feel like. So I'll pull it out. That was a little bit hard. So this is how the mobile phone does look, and this is the back of the mobile phone. Wow. So this is the case where it came from, and inside here there is more branding, TECNO, I think showing the serial numbers, made in China and all that. And here there is the warranty, 12+1 monthly warranty. I think this is the amount of time that the guy who, or the seller who actually found in the TECNO shop was actually telling us about that. If a phone gets any problem within 12+1, yeah, that is around 13 months, we can take it back so that they can refix anything for free, I think. So this is the inside part of the mobile phone. This is the plastic case, I believe. Okay, actually this looks this feels like it's very strong, guys. In reality, this feels very strong. And I'm also gonna be testing out this, though if you remember very well, I told you that I did buy the accessories of the mobile phone. This I bought on top, which we are also gonna be testing in a bit. And also this is the glass, which is going to be going on top of the mobile phone. So we want to see what's in here. So we have the charger of the mobile phone, more branding coming up over here, TECNO. Then inside the box, there is also another mini box over here. Okay, so I feel like this is, no, before you actually go inside, let us first see what's on the boundary. So I feel like this is a pinny. Oh, I see that this is a pinny, which is actually supposed to help you put your SIM cards inside. Yeah, this is it, I feel. Let me put it on top here. These are the rest of the accessories. Hopefully I'll open up everything right now. How can I open this? Can I just tear it down? I feel like I have to just tear it down. Okay, let me first pop this down. So I feel like this is the USB cable. Yeah, this is the USB cable. Yeah, this is the USB cable, and actually I feel like it is going to be charging using the Samsung, you know, those Samsung pins. I feel like this is the Samsung pin that a lot of my friends at school happen to be using. That's very nice. Thank you very much, TECNO, for upgrading this. I'm going to be rolling out everything when I'm going to be charging it, because I read from the TECNO website that it's very good after, you know, buying your mobile phone to actually first charge it. This is the earphones. This is the inner part of the box. I feel like there is nothing inside here. I just love the layering. It almost resembles ice boxes, if you know what I mean. You know, it resembles ice boxes. So I'll pop this down here. Let me first put the case at the side, and we first unbox the mobile phone currently. Guys, this looks very nice. Can I rip it from here? Yeah, yes, actually I think you rip it from here. So guys, can you see the cameras? Wow, guys, can you see the cameras? I'll bring a little bit nearer for you to see. Can you see the cameras, guys? Can you see the cameras? From the information I was reading from their website, I think there is a 4K camera and the others, you know. And this is the front of the camera on the mobile phone. And this is the front of the mobile phone. I think you can see my image in the background. Yes, this is the back going on over here. I feel like this is more, okay, to me it feels like it is metal, but actually reading from their website, they say that this is bougie or good quality plastic that was actually put at the background. And this is how the length is from the sides. To me, yeah, according to the phone I've been using, this is much longer and much heavier. That is the truth. So you guys just popped on the screen. I never the glass screen. So currently the glass is on, you know. Currently I want to switch it on, guys. I'll switch it on, I feel like, from here. Okay, so it's switching on. As you see, it brings on the logo, the TECNO logo, and it's taking a little bit much more time. Down here it is saying, okay, I think the way how it logs on, it has actually changed very much. You know, that was quick, but actually telling you from the mobile phone currently I'm filming with, compared to this one takes much more longer than this to actually go on. So this is actually how the inside of the mobile phone looks like. Guys, I'm not a tech reviewer, but I would love to just go to the storage and confirm. From here, the total RAM, it is 8, and the total space is 256 GB, and available one is 242 GB. I want to test out for you guys the camera so that you know the main purpose why we did invest in this mobile phone. So this is its camera going on over here. I feel like I have to get something for you guys to show you very well in within the camera. Guys, can you see that this is the second camera, the phone, the CAMON 17 Pro, showing the object through its camera, you know. So I feel like the quality is very, very good. And also I heard that there is there is an option for you to change to various, especially to come to video. For example, I'm going to go to video to change to various cameras over up here. So all these ones, it can film in 4K, it can film in 108p. Also, I have not mentioned, it has an option here of the bokeh effect, meaning that I can film anything in the bokeh mode. Can you see that? It actually blurs out the background. Hopefully this can show very well when I'm vlogging. Hopefully tune out for my next vlog, you would see that. But yes, guys, that is it. This is my new mobile phone that I'm going to be using to create for you a lot of content. You guys, I want to pop on the cover for you actually to see how this cover, they say that they provide with you from the company, it looks on the phone. This is actually how it does look on the phone. It looks very, very amazing, by the way. But remember that I did buy the cover, which I literally wanted for it to go in, because I just feel like this exposes the camera more, so the camera is not protected very, very well. As you see, this is an empty space over here. So I did buy this as an added accessory. So it is also made from China. So I'll just open it up for you guys to see actually how it does look. This is how the back of the case looks like over here. Inside here, it comes in a protective case, which we are going to be, let me first try to organize this place, you know. So it fits in very, very well, as you see. And in here, I feel like they are much more protected, and I feel like they actually made a very, very good case to match the mobile phone over here. As you see, every camera is actually protected very well, and there is a distance actually from the top to the bottom where the camera is. Let me just bring it near for you guys to see. And also the flash is protected in a very, very good manner. So actually, you guys, I feel like you can see me very, very well. I just wanted to do this comparison when filming with this phone, and actually you can see how tall this mobile phone is compared to my older phone, which currently I'm using over here. I think you can see it. This one over here, this is much more shorter, but this is very, very tall when it is seated on the tripod. Even when I'm filming from a distance, it is actually very, very tall. This is my new vlogging mobile phone going on over here. Just switched my lens, you know, from the back lens to the front lens. So this is actually how it does look when I'm holding it from my hand over here. And yeah, I think that is all. I want to first of all thank every person who has been supporting me on this YouTube journey of mine. I know you guys, without even your support, like this sponsor who actually sponsored us, you know, with this 1 million Ugandan shillings, would never have found my channel or my content in general to be able, you see, to interact with my content so that they can give me the sponsorship they gave me. It all goes back to you. We have been working together as a team. Thank you very much for always commenting. I appreciate all your comments a lot. Thank you very much for always liking. Thank you very much for always sharing in WhatsApp groups, cause my analytics tells me that you guys are sharing WhatsApp. Yeah, that is all for now, and this is actually how it does look over here. I feel like I'm going to add on a little bit of accessories maybe in the nearby future.